5, Mrs Parry's here. Mae'n siŵr bod chi'n gofyn pam mae gen I hwn. You're probably wondering why have I got this. Wel, dyma fydda i'n defnyddio yr wythnos nesaf pam dych chi nôl yn ysgol. I'll be using this next week when you come back to school. Rydw i'n mynd I esbonio I chi nawr beth bydd yn digwydd. I'm going to explain to you now what will be happening next week, blwyddyn 5, for you, okay? Felly, eich slot chi ydy 9 tan 9:15. 9 o'clock until 9:15. That's very important that you stick to that time slot, please. 9 tan 9:15. Bydd y gatiau yn fan hyn ar gau. Bydd y gatiau yn fan hyn ar gau. Mi fydd Mrs Evans yn sefyll wrth y gatiau. These gates will be closed. That is to keep us all safe. Mrs Evans and myself will be standing here. We ask parents, if you are driving, to please park in a space where there is no cone. Rydyn ni gofyn I chi rieni I barcio mewn lle nad oes côn, os gwelwch yn dda, I gadw eich hunain yn ddiogel a'ch plant. Os ydych chi'n cerdded yna yn amlwg ar hyd y llwybr, gwnewch hynny yn ddiogel. Yna, mi fydda I, trwy hwn, through this, when your time is up, mi fydda I yn gofyn I blant 5A yn gyntaf I ddod allan o'r ceir ac I gerdded a fi ask them to come out of the cars and walk, and look who they'll see! There he is, Mr Taylor. We'll be waiting for them and waiting for you around the back of the maestrin. Felly, dewch os gwelwch yn dda, on the floor ar y llawr, there are exits. Please, a newch chi sefyll ar bob cross. Can you please stand on each end? Once you are there, Mr Taylor will walk you around for a fun-filled, fabulous day. Unwaith ydych chi yna, Mr Taylor, and it's perfect. But, dewch chi wedyn, a drofwch chi rhwng y gornel. Dyma hi, Miss Davies, Pippa yn aros amdanoch chi. Felly, byddwch chi yn cerdded, da iawn blanto, o'r maes parcio draw at Miss Davies. Lle mi fydd na diwrnod o hwyl a ffri go iawn yn eich disgwyl. Please cofiwch I sefyll ar yr X os gwelwch yn dda sydd wedi cael ei marcio ar llawr ar eich cyfer chi. Unwaith mae'r plant yn ei lle, once the children in the place and stand on the exits, Miss Davies will take them around to their classroom. As they were the deal, at the end of the day, this will be exactly the same procedure. The gates will not be opened here. Nid oes buses, there are no buses, and therefore the children are safe to use this area. We will bring them out. Please look at your time slots. Parents, please edrychwch faint o'r gloch dych chi fod yma yn y prynhawn. Mae hwnna mor bwysig i'n helpu ni bod y trefniadau yma'n gweithio. Yna bydd eich plant yn dod mas i'r car. Your children will come out to the cars or to you, standing, socially distancing along the path, and off you go. Iawn? Diolch yn fawr blwyddyn 5, neu Year 5, neu ryw chi wrth nesaf. Hwyl fawr!
Ni wedi dod trwy'r gât a ni'n barod I fynd i'r dosbarth. And Miss Thomas mynd I helpu wrth fod yn blentyn. We've come through the gate and we're going to show you now how to enter the classroom. It's quite easy for Year 5 as it's quite close to the gate. Miss Thomas, mae hi'n mynd I ddilyn 2 fetr I ffwrdd. She's going to ensure that she keeps 2 meters behind Miss Davies. Barod, Miss Thomas?
Barod.
Ready? Off we go. Well done, Miss Thomas, keeping your distance as you should. Ti bron yna. Dyma ni. A stop. Reit, y peth cyntaf rydyn ni angen wneud wrth i ni fynd mewn i'r dosbarth yw i olchi ein dwylo. The first thing we need to do is to wash our hands. Miss Davis will start this. Golchi dwylo'n lan, sicrhau bod ni'n ddiogel. Miss Thomas, wyt ti'n barod i ddod mewn?
Dwi'n barod.
A ti, cofia golchi dy ddwylo. Don't forget to wash your hands.
Okay. There's the sanitizer, is it sanitizer to wash my hands thoroughly.
Nawr ti'n wedi golchi dwylo, Miss Thomas, mae'n amser i ti tynnu dy got a dy jacket a rhoi nhw wrth y gadair yn hyn. First thing you need to do after you've washed your hands, Miss Thomas, is to take off your coat, place your bag by your designated chair. Nawr te, cyn i fi eistedd lawr, mae'n amser i fi golchi dwylo unwaith eto tu allan wrth y sink. She needs to wash her hands once more by the sink. Felly gallwch chi ganu efo'ch hapus dwywaith neu hen ladd yn hadau. Tra bod Miss Thomas yn golchi dwylo, mae ddangos y dosbarth chi. Mae'n edrych yn wahanol iawn. Rydyn ni wedi mesur 2 metr rhwng pob bwrdd er mwyn cadw'r ddiogel. As you can see, the classrooms look different. We've measured 2 meters in between each table. And you will be designated a table for the day. Ond ni fel mynd i trio mynd tu allan gymaint â phosib. We'll be trying to go outside as much as possible. Ar eich bwrdd, mae yna ddror llawn pethau bydd angen i chi wneud eich gwaith. Dim ond chi sy'n cael defnyddio y dror a'r pethau yma er mwyn cadw'n ddiogel. Mae yna pensil, pen ac yn y blaen. On the table there's a drawer full of things that you will need to complete your work, and only you can use this drawer and the things inside for us to keep safe. Okay? Dewch i ni fynd i'r ardal. Let's go to the area because things have changed here as well. Now te, os chi'n edrych ar y llaw, mae yna llinellau yn mynd ar hyd y coridorau. There are lines now going all the way down the corridor. A mae yna arwyddion sy'n dangos pa ffordd ni fod i gerdded. Fel chi'n gweld yn hyn. Iawn, felly mae'n bwysig yn y 2 fetr i ffwrdd yn gilydd to keep 2 meters from each other and to follow this one-way system safely. Nawr te, mae posteri hefyd yn dangos i chi pa gyfeiriad i fynd. These posters also show you the way to go. Felly, ni'n edrych ymlaen i weld chi gyd yn dod nôl a ni eisiau wneud yn siŵr bod pawb yn ddiogel tra bod chi yma. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you when you come back, and we want to make sure that you all feel safe. Thank you.